Hello readers out there, I'm Marty Fugate. As you can tell by the picture, I'm wearing the same hat but different glasses. I'm the author of this book. Everyone needs a copy at home. Buy one, buy another one for your friends, buy two, buy four, buy an exponential series. It's Cosmic Debris by Marty Fugate. And now kids, sit down, get yourself comfortable, and I'm going to read you some passages from some of my stories. I'm just going to read you passages, that way you have to buy the whole book. Imagine an alien starship. Close your eyes and try real hard. See it now? Got a clear picture in your mind? It's wrong. Whatever you're imagining is a ripoff from faded memories of Star Wars, Star Trek, the Alien series or something. That's not it. Now to try to imagine the inside of an alien vessel that doesn't look like a ripoff from Star Wars, Star Trek, or the Alien series. You can't do it because the real thing is unimaginable, inhuman, something utterly other, something created by beings very different from us, indifferent things, unfeeling and very cold things, at least judging by what they did to us, which was to poke their hard alien thumb directly into the pretty blue eye of planet Earth when we weren't suspecting us. They came, they saw, they wounded us. My talent, let's start with that. What do I do exactly? I do what everyone else does, only better. Chaos. Everything starts with chaos. Sulu Wabohu. In the beginning, the earth was without form and void. Chaos, baby. A storm cloud of random hits the human mind. Magically, the mind pulls out a pattern, a picture, gets a sense of where the cloud is going. Pattern recognition, dig. The caveman who digs the saber-toothed tiger in the field of grass first is the caveman who doesn't get eaten. It's what our species does better than any other species. It's what patternists do better than anyone else. Our kind cropped up about 20 years ago. Random mutation, government experiment, thousands of cute little fetuses reacting to accelerant drugs in mommy's bloodstream. Who knows why? But I'm one of them. I'm that guy. I'm the guy who knows how the movie's gonna end, where Waldo is hiding. I see the hole in traffic before it opens up. I skate through multiple choice tests. A, B, B, C, A, B, C, B, A, C. Not because I know the answers, which I do, but because I know the desperately random rhythm of the answers. A flock of bird flies in the sky. They suddenly turn, a beautiful living sculpture, a writhing helix against the sun. I know exactly when they're going to turn. It's random to you, but not to me. I'm a patternist. Read the book and you'll see how I think. I recommend it. I like being me, and you'll like it too.